A Sun-Joe pressure washer that won't turn on can be due to several reasons, including a damaged power cord, thermal overload, or circuit issues. To fix these problems, start by inspecting the power cord for visible damage. If damage is found, unplug the unit, cut out the damaged section, strip the insulation, and reconnect the wires using wire connectors, securing them with electrical tape to prevent future issues. If the problem persists, check for thermal overload by unplugging the washer and letting it cool for at least 30 minutes. Ensure proper ventilation around the motor and check for blockages in the water supply. Once cooled, plug it back in and test the power. Circuit issues can also be the culprit, so inspect the circuit breaker panel for any tripped switches and reset them if necessary. Verify that the outlet provides adequate amperage, and if the problem still exists, inspect the pressure washer's fuse and replace it if it's blown. By following these steps, you should be able to fix a Sun-Joe pressure washer that won't turn on.